Hello all, welcome to Itee.AI. We are the partner you need for smarter, faster and scalable business growth. So here we build cutting-edge agentic AI solutions designed to transform your business strategy into intelligent automation. Our team basically provides this end-to-end consultancy, helping you gain a true competitive edge in today's fast-moving market. Whether you are looking to streamline operations or future-proof your business, Et.AI is ready to guide you every step of the way. Join us and start your journey toward AI intelligent automation and sustainable success. So the you can unlock your business AI potential by connecting with us. There are few features. It's like a clear call to actions to the advisory, dedicated service pages, then personalized consultation request form, and we have one-to-one call booking where you can share your idea and we can meet and we can like consult on that. So we can also navigate to this discover our blog where we are basically sharing as a newsletter on different AI trends and also giving some guidance on the AI latest technologies. So that's it. Thanks for joining. You can share, like and subscribe our channel et.ai. Thank you.